Let's begin.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate project name IR based home automation. So first of all I will draw the block diagram and will show you how the project will work. So Arduino Uno we are using here, then relay module, 3 relay we are using here. After that IR sensor which will detect IR light, and one remote will be there on which we will have 1, 2, 3 written, like numbers are written there. And once you press this button, the microcontroller will receive signal from this IR sensor, and in coding we have to write if this particular number is received, so we have to turn on the relay number. So relay we are using here are 3 relays, and with each relay we have connected bulb. So bulb number 1, bulb number 2, and one fan. Any application you can use, tube light or something like that, TV bulb, mixer grinder, using IR. Okay, so next is LCD also we are using here. LCD means liquid crystal display. 16:2 LCD we are using here to show all parameters on LCD, like relay 1 is on or off or not on, like that. Okay, and Arduino wire you can use here for coding. Okay, so these are some basic components we are using here. Let's see output of this project. So if I press 1, you see relay is on. If I press 1 again, relay will be off. Okay. Same way off, and now I will try to turn on these bulbs. So you have to press 2 for here, then off, then pressing 3, then off. Okay, so this is working of this project. Okay, and on LCD we can see the output of relay is on or off, and this one is the Arduino. In this we write the code, and this one is 3 batteries pack for this fan, and we are using relay module to turn on these bulbs, and these batteries also regulating 12 volt to 5 volt using 7805. For more details you can check description. Hello everyone, we are from 𝗩𝗶𝗶𝗵𝗺 Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based software and hardware projects and products globally. 𝗩𝗶𝗶𝗵𝗺 Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, M.Tech Ph.D. thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drones-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.